Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook account completely private, right? So let's go into the Facebook mobile application here. And after that, you have to click on the three horizontal line, which is on top right side corner. Then you have to scroll a little bit down, then click on the setting and privacy, then just go to the privacy shortcut. So click on this, and after that you will able to see this kind of interface. So basically in the starting you will see the privacy, right? And here you have to click on take a privacy checkup, and basically you will get here a lot of option in tabs. So the first is who can see what you share. Okay, so just click on this and click on continue, and basically I have this, my account is already private. So email, you have to select only me, then the date you have to select only me, and all of the things you have to select only me, right? And basically in this last option, who can see the follow pages list you follow, so just click on here, and after that you have to select only me, or you can even select your friends, right? And after that click next, and here you have to select in the default audience, that is your friends and nobody else, right? In the story same thing, then click on the next, and after that you have to click on the next, and here review another topic. So here you will get the another option. Now you have to do the same thing on the next tab. For example, here how people can find you on Facebook, just click on the next, and friends of friends, all right? And after that you have to just click on the next. Here your phone number you have to select only me, and the email address you have to select only me. Okay, and this is how nobody will able to access your data from your account, right? And just click on the next, and after that you have to just turn this off, and just click on the next and review another topic, right? In the same way, wherever you find that this feature is leaking my privacy, you have to just make it private, right? So this is how you can make your Facebook account completely private. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.